actually nervous to revert my hair.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha, Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha, Taylore. Silk press season is upon us, and I've done a couple of silk presses last year, and they were a hit. And I saw these products from the Doux, and I was like, you know what? Black-owned products, let's get it. Let's try the whole system and see how it does for silk press. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. I used the Kenra clarifying shampoo first, just because when I was reading the shampoo from the Doux, it says to use, let me just read it verbatim. For best results, we recommend applying this product to hair free of heavy waxes or oil-based stylers. And the style before this was a wash and go with oils and gels and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use a clarifying shampoo first, which is what I typically do anyway. I like to double up on my shampoos when I'm doing a silk press. Silky hair is only done on clean hair, okay? So then I proceeded and used the, I guess it's called the Press Play Thermal Styling System. So it's the Press Rewind shampoo. I followed the directions and I did this twice. I will say this is a very moisturizing shampoo. Like, my hair felt really good. And these products have like bonding technology. It says to help safeguard delicate curls from heat damage. You can use this curl to straighten back again. So that's gonna be interesting. So I then followed up with the Doux Fast Forward Heat Prep Conditioner. I put this on and left it on for 3 to 5 minutes as instructed. It has the consistency of a deep conditioner, so I feel like I didn't need to have a deep conditioner. My hair was able to detangle with this, so far, so good. Now, this is when things get a little tricky. I have the whole system, but I'm kind of looking at things and I'm like, are they all necessary? I had to look on the website to see the order of things. So let me go back to the website so I can say them in order for you. So now step 3 is going to be silent treatment, which is this one. Heat activated humidity shield infused with keratin and naturally derived strand coating technology that protects hair from frizz for up to 4 shampoos. That makes me nervous a little bit. The next step says the same thing, so I'm like, okay. Step 4, just glaze. It's a weightless, heat protectant seal. Seals the cuticle to control frizz, prevent curl creep, prevent humidity. And it also says to just use after conditioner and then blow dry. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna do both of those, so silent treatment and just glaze together. And then step 5 is 1 heat pass, which is, nope, see, I have too many OPP. These names are so cute. 1 pass press is what it's called, is what it stands for. And this one, this will be before flat ironing. And then I still have one more product, child. Step 6, which is the dewdrops. You could apply a small amount to damp or dry hair. But I guess it's like a smoothing the cuticle and strengthening below the surface to reduce friction and breakage. So I don't know when I'm gonna really apply this one. I think I'll probably do this. And if you go on the website, it kind of shows you the steps here. So if you like swipe, step 3, step 4, so that's helpful. Silent treatment. Spray 1 to 2 pumps. So we're gonna do 2 pumps. Is it really a spray? That's it. It doesn't seem like a lot, honestly, but sure. And then just glaze. Give it a small amount. I guess we'll see. Oh, ooh, kind of a lot, I guess. But I'm trying to protect my hair, so I'm just gonna apply these products in each section, and then I'm going to change my shirt, and then we'll blow dry each section. I feel like that just makes the right. Changed my shirt because I'm being serious. I have it in that silk press video where if you don't change your shirt and you just continue using the same shirt or towel around your arms and you blow dry your hair, it's just gonna grab onto that moisture. We don't want that. All right, also in that silk press video, the way that I blow dried was different. So I know we typically do like roots to ends, but I have ends to roots and I got the best blow dry when I did that. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm using my Infinity Pro blow dryer. It's just easier for me. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. My hair feels dry. when I did the Kenra products, it felt more moisturizing. So I went ahead and started flat ironing just so I can get an understanding of the next 2 steps, because like, okay, so apparently the next step, which I think is step 4 at this point, I don't even know, I lost count. Hold on, 1 2 3 4, no, 1 2 3 4, yeah, step 5, which is OPP, one pass press. You apply this, and I did, and I just felt like it gave like such a weird, and I do typically do 1 pass whenever I do my flat irons, and it's this section right here, and I just felt like it just wasn't giving. Like, I was like, it's not as silky as like past silk presses. So then I was like, okay, let's see what the Dewdrops balling polish does. Since it says apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, so I applied that to this side, and it kind of weighed it down a little bit, but it's giving shine. So I don't really know what the point of it is really, but I have to say, like, this is not my, so far at least, it's not my best silk press. So I don't know. It's cute though, but it's not like amazing. So I think I will continue combination of both of the products, because I mean, I'm not trying to get heat damage. Using both is not like a huge thing. I'll just do like 1 spritz of the Dewdrops, since I think that's more of like a finishing oil to not make my hair weigh down. And I'm also doing the chasing method, so you can use a boar bristle brush for a chase method. This little comb here, I'll link it down below, or just a regular rat tail comb, whatever you desire. It really doesn't matter.
We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it.
Alright, almost done. This is what the hair is looking like. I can literally just move it down. Just sitting there struggling. It's looking pretty okay. The front looks better than the back for some reason, but like it looks. Oh, I don't know if I put the price on the screen for these products, but I have to say they're kind of expensive. So, and they're super small. Silent treatment and just glaze, you only need a little bit of it, like 1 to 2 sprays of this. This is 2 fluid ounces for I think like $16.99. 2 fluid ounces for like they're kind of expensive. They're $14.99 to $16.99 each. I don't know. It's not giving as much as it's okay. I don't know. I'm about to go ahead and put some curls in it. Pin curl it, because that's how I'm going to have it for right now. Alright, what's up, y'all? Just came back from work. It's like 5 o'clock. And I just want to show y'all what this hair is looking like for first day. It's giving frizz. It's giving that I work outside. My roots are already kind of frizzy too. And the thing that sucks about this particular product line is that it actually doesn't come with a serum. So tonight, I'm gonna have to use my Kenra serum to just add like a little bit to my ends and then do my night routine and stuff like that, because this is just not, it needs to be tamed already. My hair also feels dry, and I'm actually nervous to revert my hair. I've never been nervous to revert my hair in the past, but I have to say I'm nervous.
We first began, no plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pull it up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you.
I have a little bit of loose curls, just slightly, like right here. We all know the front already was struggling, so I'm getting those cut. But a few pieces back here, I can tell aren't like vibing. I would have returned everything. Like, it was my least favorite silk press by far. By far. So, yeah. I don't feel like it really did my hair any justice. If you try it and you like it, let me know, but I'm good. I'm gonna stick to my products that I've been using for a silk press if I even decide to do another one for this year. So if you want to check out my silk press video that is absolutely bomb, I'm gonna leave that video for you guys, and also how I maintain my silk press, I'll leave that for you guys too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in one of those videos. Comment and interact with y'all. So peace.